Water makes up 75% of the Earth's surface. How much liquid is that, exactly? What if it just gets disappeared? What would happen to Earth and humans, animals, plants? What about the ecosystem? Want to know the answer? Then watch this video until the end and dive into the ocean of knowledge with Psycraft Studios. Water is a very important part of our life and for the ecosystem, so what would happen if it just disappeared? Sure enough, swimmers, sailors, cruise passengers, everyone out on the ocean would feel the effects quickly. Within a second, boaters and swimmers in shallow water would crash onto the bottom. They'd get away with a few broken bones. What about all the sea creatures? You already know the answer. It would literally be raining fish since all the whales, dolphins, and other big aquatic animals curiously exploring the surface would be falling to the ocean floor. But what comes next is where the real trouble begins. Our oceans have two life-supporting roles. They regulate global temperatures by absorbing energy from the sun. They push warm tropical waters north and south and circulate cold waters back to equator. This way, no place on Earth gets too hot or way too cold. Oceans feed the water cycle, evaporating into the clouds and raining back to Earth. The moment the oceans disappeared, the Earth would turn into a vast desert. We will not be able to see rain, and also we would have to throw our umbrellas. But what would happen to living beings who need water to live? In a matter of days, people and most animals would die from dehydration. Plants would have a few weeks before they started decaying in the dry air. Within a few months, forests would begin massive die-offs. And all this dry, dead vegetation would eventually ignite. In the matter of years, most of the world's forests would be burned down. As these huge bonfires sparked all across the planet, the atmosphere would become less and less oxygenated. If there were still humans at this time, the unbreathable air and scorching temperature would wipe us out for good. All in all, the Earth would end up just like Venus. Dry. Hope you liked the video. Tell in the comments which topic do you want next. Subscribe to Psycraft Studios for more such interesting videos.